Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Boston Whaler 2022 33 Outrage. What a fantastic boat this is. It does everything very, very well. It's got the real high profile on the sides. It takes on the big water really good for the offshore trips. And it's also got in the light blue color. It's got the dive door, which we'll talk about when we get on the boat. Let's hop on and see the rest. Here we are on board the 330 Outrage. Let's start at the back of the boat. Powered by the new Mercs twin 300 horsepower. Very, very quiet. Very, very powerful. Very little vibration. It's just an incredible motor. Give you a good top end on the boat as well. If you're out fishing for the day, you get a nice leaning post right here that converts into a seat. And a very large live well. So you can keep plenty of bait there. You won't run out with a live well that size. Come over, you've got to the port side, we've got the dive door. So it does multiple things. We've got a heavy duty ladder, so as far as getting on and off the boat from the water, this is the easiest and the safest way to do it. If you're boarding and you got a floating dock, you just level, step right on and off the boat, always on the same level, which is by far the safest way to get on the boat. And lastly, if you're fishing, a lot of times when you're bringing the fish up over the gunnel, you lose them. When you get the fish out of the water, there's too much weight, you lose the hook. This way you can just drag him where he's half still in the water, put him right into the fish box. It's nice and easy to clean the fish, get the hook out that way. Keeps the mess down to a minimum. So when you're fishing, great prep station right here. Drink holders, place you can put your knives and just good prep, or hors d'oeuvres and drinks and that type of stuff as well, so it doubles as that. And underneath here, get a second live well, so different type of bait, but still really, really good size. Then I move to the helm area. You got two very comfortable captain's seat, and you can actually fold this on. You can put three people here if you want to, but a lot of times it's just two. You got a nice real comfy armrest right here, so really nice helm seat setup. You got the two large Raymarines, so just you can split these up. Just fantastic electronics. You got the 7-inch Mercury, it's a computer, and then we've got the digital throttle and shift. You've got the spotlight, you've got the trim tabs, stereo, and then we also have the joystick. The joystick is fantastic. I can dock this boat in any direction. I can move it. The boat goes sideways. I can really control this boat 100%. It's great. Then you've got the sky hook, so I can lock myself in a position. If you're waiting for a bridge or a restaurant to get a slip or something, you can hit that and it just hovers there. Or at the end of the day, point the bow at the sunset. Hop up there, get the lounge seat there, have a glass of wine. It's just, you're always pointing at the sun the whole time, and when you're done, you come back, you hit the button, no anchor, fantastic. And lastly, you got the Autoheading, which is an autopilot. It's a point and shoot, so you got a little line that comes out. I point where I want to go, hit the button, and it takes you straight there. So it's just a very easy autopilot, so fantastic option. You got jump seats on the side. You got one on both port and starboard. These came out like so, and they do come in handy if you got a crowd. And the head is really large, so you've got plenty of room down there. You've got the vacuum flush head, ladder storage is right there as well. And then as we move up to the bow, really nice comfy lounger. I mean, it's big. You can put two very comfortable. You get armrests that come down on it. Three if you're really cozy. Wise, this one's set up for dive tanks. So this one's got 4 dive tanks you can keep there. Half a dozen rods that you can keep under lock and key as well. And just great storage for just about everything. Then as we move to the bow, you've got U-shaped seating here. Fish box that you can keep up at the bow, so you can ice that down and self-draining. Got more storage underneath the floor. And then lastly, we've got the windlass on the front, so it's recessed, so you can use this as a fishing platform when you're out fishing. So you just drop it back down. nice place, and you can actually walk down the gunnels. These gunnels are really wide, so if you're moving around with the fish, you could actually do that as well. So, boat's got a spotlight on it. It does everything very, very well. It takes on the big water great, and it also does the backwaters also. So if you get any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.